YouTube, what it do? FadeMasterLos here, live and direct, and I got a good video in store for you today. Clean, detachable blade to remove all the hair. But before I jump straight to it, I ain't gonna hold you up. Make sure to click that like, that comment, and also subscribe. FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. Let's go. Interested in any of the tools that you see in this video, click the link down below. The best tools you can get.
We're gonna jump straight to it. Now you see the detachable blade. This method works for any detachable blade. They're all built pretty similar. You see that here? We're gonna go ahead and remove all of it. First step, we're gonna go ahead and slide that bottom blade from the top blade as shown. As you can see, you just slide it completely off. It's gonna move perfectly like that. Make sure you keep that white piece on. That's very important. And if it comes off, just put it back on. And once you do that, you should have both blades separate from each other. Look at all that hair. We're about to remove all that hair. It's gonna take literally like 10 seconds to do. And you see the top blade, this hair in between. Now sometimes I like to grab the blow dryer. You don't really necessarily need to do this step, but it's good to do just to try to get some of the hair out before you take that Andis Cool Care, as you see me doing right here, to knock the remainder of that hair out from that blade. Once you spread any hair that you still see, use a cloth to just wipe it off. A noticeable difference. Next, we're gonna take the clipper brush and we're gonna go ahead and get all the excess hair off of that bottom blade. This is where it seems like most of the hair gets caught at, is on that bottom blade. So you're gonna take the clipper brush and brush all the hair off of it. Then take that Cool Care and spray it on down. Take that cloth rag again and wipe the rest of the hair off that you may see. Once you complete that, we're gonna go ahead and put that bottom blade back on. And the technique I like to go is to start at the bottom, as you see how I'm holding it, and then we're gonna go at like an angle, maybe 45 degree, and start easing our way to get that blade back in. So you're gonna ease it in, and then slide as you easing until that white piece line back up with the gap in the blade. And once you get that, you could go ahead and just slide it back on in. And there you have it. That's how you do it. FadeMasterLos here. I hope you enjoyed. Quick and easy how to clean a detachable blade to remove all the hair. And there you have it. FadeMasterLos here. Before I go, make sure to click that like, comment, and also subscribe. Working like new.